Okay, hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to complete the square by using algebra tiles. Yeah. So you'll be asking, what are algebra tiles? Well, algebra tiles is we can call it as a game of a math game, yeah. Which are these little pieces: one big square, yeah, one rectangle, and one little square. Okay, so for the game, this will be an x to the second power. This will equals x, and this will equal 1. Yeah. So this little game have also a little tricky part, which are the negative part. Yeah, how you can see it, all this part is red, which tell us that this could be also negative x to the second power, negative x, and negative 1. Yeah. You've been asking for what I want to play this game. Well, we want to complete the square with this game for avoid a long process that will make us first to understand it by an easy way, and second, we can avoid this long equation that is x to the second power plus a divided by 2 to the second power plus b, and this will equals to x plus a to the second power plus minus b. So we can get to know the answer of this equation just by playing a little game. So let's start the game for completing a perfect square. Yeah. So you have a trinomial equation similar to this. Yeah, will be always x2 plus an x value. Yeah, with x. Yeah, in this case we're going to use 4x plus 4. This will equals 0. This will be important. This 0 will be important later. So let's complete the square with the pieces. So the first step is putting the x2. We know this value x to the second power. Then we have 4 rectangles, positive rectangles. Here we have 1, 2, 1, 2. We can complete it here, 1 and 2, and we can put the other ones right here. 1 here. Here we go. Another one here. And we're just missing 4 positive little squares. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 here. 1 here. So now we get to know, without doing this equation, that this is a perfect square. How we know this? Because without missing an extra piece, or without having an extra piece, yeah, one that we don't need, this will equals to 0. Yeah, how we know here we have a square, yeah, with all the pieces that were needed by the question. So with this we can get to know that this is a perfect square. First step, know that, and here we can do this. This will equal x, and this will be 1 and 2 and x. Yeah, right? And here we get to know that this is x and 1 and 2. So with this we can get to know the last part of the equation. We can get here that this will equals x plus a that will be this 2 and x plus 2. How we have both are the same, so we can simplify it as this, x plus 2 to the second power, and here we got plus minus 0, that will be this. This will equal 0 because it's a perfect square. And now we finished. That was all with a perfect square. So now we're going to try with another exercise this game. Yeah, so let me some moment to take out this quickly, fast. Para. We're gonna take this out. Okay, it's okay. Let's take the algebra tiles. Wait to take this moment. Here we have. Okay, here we go. Okay, the other exercise will be x2 plus 2x plus 3. This will equals 0. Okay, so it will be x2, yeah, remember the big one, then 2 rectangles, one here and one here. So we're going to put the 3 of here. So we're going to put 1, 2 and 3. You can see here, there's no way that with one big square, with 2 rectangles and with 3 small squares, it's impossible to get a perfect square. How you know? We can put this here, and we won't have a perfect square. I forgot to tell you that this small square, it can't be next to the big one, yeah. So how you see here, these are unnecessary, yeah. These are extra ones, so they will pass to be here negative, yeah. So we will have x 1 x and 1. This will equals x, how we say, x plus 1, x plus 1, and how you know they are both the same, we can put x plus 1 to the second power plus minus, this will equals negative 1, this will equals negative 2, plus minus negative 2. And here we go, we solve this exercise without doing this question. So with this we get to know that this is not a perfect square, yeah. With this we can get to know that we will need to take out 2 of these for make it be a perfect square. I want to explain on a fast way how this will be if we use the whole process, yeah, the whole equation that before we wanted to avoid with the game. So let's take out this, let's put it here, and now we have this. You see it? Okay, so here we have the equation, the result that we will need, and here we have the trinomial. Okay, so how this will be with the whole process. So we should put x2 plus 2x divided by 2 to the second power plus b, the 3, sorry for this, plus 3, and this will equal 0. Then the second step is to pass in. This will be fast. Maybe if you don't understand, we can explain that on next lesson. But this is just a fast review. Yeah, this will be passed here by -3. Yeah, if you don't understand it, it doesn't matter. It's just you to understand that in any way this value will be the same that the one that we see before. Yeah, plus there will be 2x plus this value that will be 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. Oh no, sorry, this is not here now. Yeah, that will be 1 and 1 to the second power will give us 1 again. That will equals to -3, and we have to add again this here. Yeah, plus 1. Here we go. We'll have x2 plus 2x. We can take it out. Equals -2, because -3 plus 1 will be -2, and we have to put this value on the one we put it before. Yeah, we have to put it on this one, replacing this a, so this will equal x plus this value, yeah, the one we get with this equation, plus 1 to the second power, because we have you remember this give us 2 of the same one. Yeah, x plus 1 and x plus 1. Yeah, we can simplify it as this, and we just have to put it plus minus -2, and how you saw before was the same values. Yeah, the same result with a different procedure. So here we get to know that both things work. Thank you for all. This was made by Tomas Pineda, Juan Pablo Cardona, and Santiago Marquez. Thank you for all.